Hey YouTubers, Jose Fantasticville here. I'm in downtown Floresville, Texas. It's in Wilson County. I'm doing one of my historical courthouses of Texas tours I've been on, going through some of the ones that are around here in Texas, and here in Wilson County doing this one. This first historical marker here is the Flores de Abrego family of Floresville. The Flores de Abrego family came to the New World from northern Spain before the time of the American Revolution. During the 18th century, members of this family brought their cattle northward, established ranches along the San Antonio River. The head of this family was Francisco Antonio Flores de Abrego II, died in 1757, who married Rosa Hermelinda Hernandez. Their son, Jose Joaquin Flores de Abrego, from 1742, died 1800, grew up on the San Bartolo Ranch in present Karnes County. Jose Joaquin's grandsons Manuel, Salvador, Nepomuceno, and Jose Maria later fought on the side of the Texans during the Revolution for the independence from Mexico. In 1854, Josefa Augustina Flores de Abrego, daughter of Jose Maria Flores de Abrego, married Samuel William Barker, who became Wilson County's first sheriff in 1860. 1867, Josefa's donation of 200 acres of land was accepted by the County Commissioner's Court as a new site for a new county seat. As she requested, the new town was named Floresville in honor of her ancestor Francisco Antonio Flores de Abrego II. As prominent ranchers with cattle brands registered in Floresville, the Flores de Abrego family played an important role in the colonization of this area. So one of the original families here. Here's another historical marker. This one for the one the county's named for. That last one was the one that the city of Floresville was named for. So this is James Charles Wilson. When this county was created in 1860 by the 8th Texas legislature, it was named for Texas patriot James Charles Wilson, a native of England. Wilson, 1818-1861, left his homeland in 1836 and by 1839 had settled in Brazoria County, Texas. He studied law there under Judge John Harris and future Governor Elisha M. Pease, and bordered with former provisional governor Henry Smith. Wilson had a multifaceted career while resident of the state as part of the ill-fated Mir expedition in 1842. He was held in Mexican prison until escaping in 1843. He returned to Brazoria County, where he served as the editor of Brazos Planner as district clerk after obtaining his law license in 1844. Wilson had a successful law practice, was elected to the Texas Senate, and became commissioner of claims to settle problems arising from land grants given under the colonization laws of Spain and Mexico. During the last years of his life, James Wilson moved his family to a homestead near Gonzales, where he continued to practice law and was licensed to preach in the Methodist Episcopal Church. Upon his death in 1861, Wilson was buried in the family cemetery near Gonzales, but was later reinterred in the state cemetery in Austin. Wilson County, created February 1860, organized August 1861, named in our honor Charles Wilson. Member of the Mir expedition, district clerk of Brazoria County, 1844, senator from Matagorda County, and this is the Floresville County seat. Marker put in 1936. Got some cornerstones here. Alfred Gauss Architecture, Cindy Mead contractor. The year on there. Another historical plaque up here. The Wilson County Courthouse, constructed in 1884. This courthouse was built soon after Floresville was chosen Wilson County seat in 1871. Designed by noted San Antonio architect Alfred Gauss, this Italianate structure was constructed of bricks made in a local brickyard. It features entry pavilions supported on Doric columns, a bracketed cornice along the roof line, and a noteworthy central tower with steeple. Another one here. A.G. Pickett, County Judge. W.C. Kroger, J.J. Casanova, D.L. Wiley, Sims, County Commissioners and County Clerk. It's still being used today, the courthouse. There's somebody there looking at me through the window. Let justice be done, laid by the M.W. Grand Lodge of Texas, AF and AM, 22nd February, AD 1884. G.O. Gillian, acting Grand Master of the Masons, Freemasons. So they got the Cornerstone there. I'll walk around the courthouse, go further out, so you can see it's one of the sides, steeple up there. Again, I'm in downtown Floresville, Texas. There's an actual city hall. Small town. It says it's got 7,000 people here. So this part looks like a later addition. This little piece here is a later addition to the original county courthouse, but they try to make it same style and color, of course. So all the other county things are here. That's the old county jail. Let me finish the courthouse and then I'll go over there. You notice the foreclosures and stuff on that board. See the jail bars down there. County clerk's entrance. Well, I'm walking out, come to the county jail since it's here on the right. Here's their old county jail. See the bars on the windows. See what the marker says over here. Big dance place. Captain Will Wright, founding officer, Company D, Texas Rangers, had uncles, brothers, sons, and Rangers and Border Patrol. Wilson County Deputy Sheriff from 1896 to 1900. Sheriff 1902-1917. While in office, reared his family in the jailer's quarters. Always was armed, a stern leader, but gently and kindly. So he reared his family in this jail. Huh. Be a part of history. By your font, you can put it here in front of the county jail. So it's actually a museum. There's a chair up there. Wilson County Jailhouse. Hey y'all, there's the museum hours. A lot of smaller towns, their museums are kind of like this, where they're like every second or fourth Saturday, or like a Friday and Saturday, or a Sunday, and then just gotta get used to that. Wilson County Jail, public square, built in 1887, and this tree is old. This is the back side of the jail. Okay, I continue to walk around the county courthouse. Still being used today. I guess the main entrance is over there to the clerk's office. It's overcast today. It's a little bit after 8:30 in the morning. This is kind of cool to go into there. They got a little thing decorated at the front here to go in. It's kind of cool. Looks like it had gas lamps or lights there before. Yeah. Look like electrical wire. Huh, it's kind of cool. Haven't seen that yet. Like a little design at one of these courthouses. Go to this historical marker. Again, it's 78 degrees. It's about 8:30 in the morning. It's a little muggy. No, high temperatures today is supposed to be 90 degrees. It's the third day in April. And then you see the tower up there. So this is a big peanut here, dedicated to citizens of Wilson County by the Floresville JCs and JC Eds, October 1970. In love and memory of the Peanut King Joe T. Sheehy, 1887-1967, who in 1916 experimented with peanut farming and introduced it as a viable crop to the farmers of Wilson County, the descendants of Joe T. Sheehy. So Floresville here in Wilson County is the peanut capital of Texas. That's how it's listed. They got a time capsule in here to be open in 2060. And they had another one. 10th anniversary to be open in 2034. Huh? In 9 more years, this one's going to be open. Huh. Again, just walking around the whole courthouse. Got Liberty and Justice up there. Real quick tour of Wilson County Courthouse. As far as my historical courthouses of Texas tour that I've been to and gone to, been to a few so far. There's a lot more in Texas to visit. So just as I get ready to go out, another view. Let me walk down. So this is on D Street. Right here. D Street's the street that goes across here. And here's another view of it while I'm getting ready to walk out. And the street where the front entrance to the courthouse, that's 3rd Street there for the front entrance of the courthouse. That's a pretty cool view. Hey all, this is again Jose Fantasticville. If you like this video as part of my tours of the courthouses that are in Texas, especially the ones that historical buildings, got beautiful designs and everything, go on and like, share, subscribe. You guys have a good day. Adios.